Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe Illustrator for t-shirt design. First, set up your artboard with dimensions suitable for a t-shirt, typically around 12 by 14 inches. Remember, vector graphics are crucial for scalability without losing quality. Always choose the CMYK color mode for print accuracy. This foundational setup ensures your design is ready for professional printing, maintaining vibrant colors and sharp details from the start. Next, master Illustrator's key design tools. The pen tool is essential for crafting precise shapes and custom lettering, giving your designs a unique touch. Utilize the Pathfinder panel to efficiently combine or subtract shapes, creating complex graphics with ease. Don't forget the type tool. It's vital for designing compelling text layouts that truly stand out on a t-shirt. These tools are your building blocks. Now, let's enhance your graphics. If you're using raster images, vectorize them with image trace to ensure they scale perfectly without pixelation. Experiment with various effects and appearances to add depth and visual interest, making your design pop. Crucially, before sending to print, expand all strokes and outline your text. This step prevents any font or line issues, guaranteeing a smooth printing process. Finally, prepare your design for export. Save your artwork in industry-standard formats like AI, EPS, or PDF, which are preferred by most print shops. Take a moment to double-check all elements for proper alignment and resolution, ensuring everything is exactly as you intend. Creating a simple mock-up of your design on a t-shirt helps visualize the final product, giving you confidence in your creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.